Having a big screen is super cool, but sometimes could be too expensive. Then I have a solution for you with Google TV and all kinds of features. Netflix, YouTube. On the front of the device, we do have a logo and sensor for the remote. On the top, buttons to control the device and ports, AUX, ear blaster, HDMI, USB, DC power. At the bottom, you can connect a stand to it for rubber legs, and well, you can switch your lamp to it or service it. Power, quick. It's a very bright lamp. And Google TV.
Fan noise.
Even with the powerful light on the ceiling, it's still visible. Great. And it has auto keystone and focus. Pairing the remote is super easy, pressing the two buttons.
I've immediately noticed that the focus minimum distance is 1.3 meter. Any closer and won't be in focus. And from that distance, we do have 45 inches, which is 117 centimeters. Very bright, impressive. 2 meters. And from 2 meters, we are getting a very crisp image. I think it could be the most optimal position. 75 inches. Yeah, 75. Very bright, even with the light on, and sharp image. 104 inches from 3 meters. Looks crisp to me.
Then the menu itself. And we do have live TV input, which is HDMI or USB. Dashboard, and if we hit dashboard, we do have add account, screensaver if you wanted to. Well, looks nice. Going back, pictures from your USB, I guess, Wi-Fi, account, sound, and even more settings. Projector, so you can focus, image correction, Bluetooth mode, so external speakers, and additional settings. Display and sound, and we do have a couple of different modes, sound, music, standard, alright, even customize. Input audio, digital, and delay was set. Internet, account, privacy, apps, that's all the apps, and the system. And about the system, this is the Android 11. Do we have any updates? Checking for updates. The menu is very snappy. Last successful check was at 10. Alright, so it's up to date, I guess. Alright. Languages. Many of them. Ooh, so many. That is cool. Gboard, storage, that's almost 9 GB. Ambient mode, power and energy, Google, and system sound and reset. Going back to the apps, we do have Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and multiplayer. All those apps are very smooth. For example, YouTube. Did you saw how quick that was? Shuffle through YouTube is super quick. Way quicker than any smart I've seen ever. Even my $2,000 projector don't have such a quick response. No. Wow. And when you log into Apple TV, you will get way more, all kinds of features. The amount of apps is vast. You have YouTube, you have Showtime, you have Apple TV, Disney, Spotify, Tidal. Wow, so many of them. TikTok, impressive. We can connect smartphone to it. can also control the device with the remote, voice and everything. That is super cool and it is very fast. Forza Motorsport.
Alright, here are some videos.
We can go all the way to 4K 30 Hertz, but the image will be a bit blurry, just a little bit. So let's go down to Full HD. Even in the daylight, this device is so bright, and in the Full HD 60, perfectly usable. It's even too bright for the camera. Conclusion, it could be switched faster than a TV and turned on faster than a TV. It's already on, it's like instant. Well, in order to have a screen not directly to a projector, but a little above it, well, you can use a brick or stand. I'm gonna use a brick. Okay, it needs to be. Oh, and the projector screen correct itself because it was bent a little bit and now it's straight. And it's in focus. By itself, you don't have to do anything. How crazy is that? In a matter of seconds. Amazing. The only downside is this, the noise. Fan noise. Maybe because it's in front of me and other projectors are like on the ceiling or close to the screen. Maybe. It would be nice if they improve the fans, internal fans, maybe Noctua fans or something like that. So what did we learn? We learned that it has a great image quality up to 100 inches. 70 is optimal. Fantastic, smart, better than my QOLED from Samsung, and that's crazy. Better than Optona, which is 10 times more expensive. Better than BenQ, which is a couple of times more expensive. Not sure how they did it, but they did it. It is super fast, and the quality is really good. Great for small parties, or even big parties, and you don't really need a speaker at all. The built-in speakers are punchy and clean. And I think that's all I got. Link in the description with a super discount for you. See you next video. Bye. I'm gonna watch some movies now. Movies.